Since the property is on market and there is an agent involved, they will use their state-approved contracts, so you have to make sure that the agent includes the right terms and clauses in that contract so that you can wholesale the deal. In fact, I created a 10-point offer sheet to provide agents that covers all of the essential elements of what needs to be included in the contract. You simply provide that to the agent so they can make sure everything is included when they write the offer. But one of the most important things to make sure is that the contract can be assigned. Now, a general rule of thumb is a contract by nature is assignable unless it states in writing that it cannot be assigned. This is called a no assignment clause, which means you would have to do a double closing to wholesale your deal, which is not always ideal. Now, if the contract does not have a no assignment clause, then by default, you can assign it. And if you want to be extra safe, where you put your name on the contract as the buyer, add the phrase and or assigns, which means you're the buyer or anyone you assign it to.